I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist on YouTube Music. So for example, here on YouTube Music, I want to put Glue Song here by Pia2B and I want to put it on a playlist. I just have to tap on the three-bar icon here. And then you just want to tap on Save to Playlist like this. Now, if you don't have any playlist yet, you can see it'll be just this button here, New Playlist. Just tap on New Playlist like this. Now put it your title to your playlist. So for example, I want to put this title into like, for example, Night Song or something like that. And the description is Songs for Nights or things like that, right? Songs for nights like this. You don't need to actually put this in. It's just an example. Now just tap on create like this. And then your playlist will be created like this, right? If you want to make a playlist, not from the song there, you just go to library here. Now on library, you can see this is what it will look like. You can see if you want to go to playlist, it'll be like this, right? Now, if you want to add more songs into that playlist, I'm just gonna go to home. Now on home here, you can see you can pick on any one of these. For example, I want to put in Sparkle here. I just have to tap on save to playlist like this. And you can see it'll be saved automatically to my current playlist. If you want to change it, so for example, I want to put Line Without a Hook here, for example, I'm going to tap on save to playlist like this. And then I'm going to tap on change here. And then I'm just going to tap on new playlist like this. And instead of night song, I'm going to put this as Dune song or thing like that, right? Dune song. I'm going to tap on create. Now, once I tap on create, you can see it'll be like this. And if I go to library, you can see on my playlist, if I just refresh it like this, you can see it'll be my new playlist right there.